Trading altcoins or alternative cryptocurrencies to Bitcoin requires careful planning and strategy due to their higher volatility and lower liquidity. Here's a guide on how to trade altcoins effectively. Research and analysis. Conduct thorough research on the altcoin you're interested in, including its technology, team, use case, and market sentiment. Use fundamental and technical analysis to identify potential trading opportunities. Choose a reliable exchange. Select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of altcoins and has strong security measures in place to protect your funds. Develop a trading strategy. Define clear entry and exit points as well as risk management parameters such as stop-loss orders and position sizing. Consider factors like market trends, support and resistance levels, and trading volume. Monitor market trends. Stay informed about market trends and news developments that could impact the price of altcoins. Use tools like price charts, trading indicators, and social media sentiment analysis to gauge market sentiment. Execute trades wisely. Place buy and sell orders based on your trading strategy, and be prepared to adjust your approach as market conditions change. Avoid emotional trading and stick to your predetermined plan. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across multiple altcoins to reduce risk and maximize potential returns. Consider factors like market capitalization, liquidity, and correlation with Bitcoin. Stay updated. Continuously monitor your trades and stay updated on market developments to make informed decisions and adapt your strategy accordingly.